Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we will be talking about the group of people that make laws in North Carolina. That group of people is called the North Carolina General Assembly. They have the same job as the United States Congress. But before we go on to talk about the General Assembly, you have to talk about how laws are made in North Carolina. It literally goes through the exact same process as United States Congress. The only difference is one thing that the governor has. So we know that the president can veto bills, which means to reject. The governor has the power to veto just a part of a bill, which I think honestly is a really smart idea. The North Carolina governor did not have the power to veto until 1995, and I think the line item veto is really good. The president, if they don't like one part of a bill enough, they have to veto the entire bill, but the governor can just strike out what they don't like and then push the rest of the bill through. So this is the North Carolina General Assembly. This is the building that they meet in. You may have seen it if you have been in Raleigh. This is near the North Carolina Museum of Natural History and the Marbles Museum. It's right downtown Raleigh. It is similar to Congress because it is also bicameral, meaning two houses. So let's talk about the North Carolina House of Representatives. First, they have 120 members. Each member serves 2-year terms, but there is no term limit, so they can serve as many terms as they want. But they have to run for re-election every 2 years. The qualifications to be a representative: you have to be at least 21 years old, you must be a qualified voter, and you must be a district resident for at least 1 year. So qualifications, not super stringent, but there they are. This is a map of each district. So, talking about the North Carolina Senate, instead of having 120 members, it only has 50 members. They also serve two-year terms. Again, they also have no term limits, so they can stay in the General Assembly for as long as they can win elections. Here is a map of the North Carolina Senate. This is your senator, North Carolina Senator District 5, Don Davis. He is a resident of Snow Hill. So North Carolina Senate qualifications: senators must be at least 25 years old. They must be a qualified voter. I'm just going to tell you this: every office in North Carolina, you have to be a qualified voter, whether it be House of Representatives, Senate, governor, judge, whatever it may be. In North Carolina, you have to be a qualified voter. You must also be a North Carolina resident for at least 2 years and a resident of your district for at least 1 year. So moving on to local legislatures, you have the Pitt County Board of Commissioners and the Greenville or Winterville City Council. The Pitt County Commissioners has 9 commissioners who hire a county manager. They are allowed to serve 3-year terms, and there is a 2-term limit for a total of 6 years served. If you like, you can click on this and see who your county commissioners are. And then you have City Council. In Winterville and in Greenville, there are 6 representatives, a mayor and a mayor pro tem. The mayor pro tem acts like a vice president would to the president. And the city councilors are allowed to serve for 2 years at a time. Here are links to the Greenville and Winterville City Council. You can click on those and check out to see who your representative is. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you're all doing well. Make sure that if you have a question, you send me an email and ask. I'd be glad to answer it. Have a good day.